Hey, Greece and Rome people, it's been a while. I'm happy to announce that I will be delivering a course on the introduction of language at the Peterson Academy in November. Don't know when it'll actually be available for people to take, but I'm excited about that, and I'll be preparing it for the next few months. And I'm going to use it as an opportunity to make some videos for you in the process of creating the course. Anything I find especially interesting, well, at least some of the things, I'll bring up for you to think about, and it'll also help me to verbalize some of the ideas that I'll be grappling with. And I'm really excited. I'm already started on the origin of language right now, and the things that I talk with you about will, I hope, complement some of the lectures I've already provided for you on this channel. So I'm excited about it. This is just a kind of introduction to that idea, and look forward to some videos in the near future. All right, I hope you're all doing well, and talk to you later.